This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And I'm going to try it out. Let's get right into it. Okay, I wanted to try this because I seen it on Lee. So shout out to you, Lee, whenever you do watch this. I got 2 of them because I didn't know what color I would like better. But I got Deep Chestnut. And I got Tan Neutral. And I'm about to try it out. So let's go and take these off. Okay, first I'm gonna hydrate my face. Y'all, they really don't have the name on the, they don't have the name on the concealer, and I can't tell them apart. And y'all know I can't see. Oh, I can't see. Okay, Deep Chestnut. It's real tiny, baby. You can't see me. I'm finna swatch Deep Chestnut. Jesus. I don't know why I put it right there. It's a little orange. That's a little orange. I'm trying. Oh, and y'all, as y'all can see, the applicator is so thick. I like a thick applicator. Let me see. And that's a little bit too yellow. Neither one. And that one was Tan Neutral. But if I had to pick one to play it safe, I'm gonna do Deep Chestnut. I'm gonna do this one just to play it safe. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in a little bit. And since I just did that right there, I'm just gonna just go over it a little bit. And y'all, this is like really mattifying. Like, it's matte. Like, it's really matte. It dries so fast. If you into it, you know, this is a good concealer for you, I think. This might have me a little too orange. Oh no, y'all. It's full coverage though. It's full coverage. I can tell you that. I just gotta do better with picking the color. Okay, y'all, I'm trusting the process. I'm trusting the process. Gonna go in with some translucent powder. Trust process, trust process, trust process. Okay, going in with some bronzer. Okay, so I did some contouring, some nose contour. What we're thinking so far. What we're thinking so far. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Okay, y'all. I feel a lot more better now that I got my glasses on and I can see. And I can see what I'm looking at. I feel a whole lot better. I was blind at first, but now I can see. Lee, I see why you like. Milani, make it last. It's the truth. thinking like something. A fan in the living room. Okay, I gotta go do my hair, put on my clothes, and I'll be back. Let's just say it. Okay, this is my final look. Okay, y'all, this is me after work. What y'all think? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It is Bina. Thanks for watching, guys. See y'all later.